How do I play audio from Bluetooth? Music can also be played directly from a paired Bluetooth mobile device. To start playing media, make sure your mobile device is powered on and paired with your infotainment system. Touch the audio icon from the home screen, then touch the Bluetooth icon from the recent sources list on the left of the display. If it's not shown in the recent sources, touch the down arrow to show the full list of available sources and select Bluetooth. You can control the volume and song selection via the infotainment system controls. If Bluetooth is selected, yet no sound is present, check the volume settings on both your mobile device and the infotainment system. You can play music in a random order or by touching the shuffle icon. When displaying a list of songs, arrows and A to Z appear on the left side of the display. You can press A to Z to bring up a display that shows available letters. Select the letter you wish to view. The arrow buttons move up and down the list.